Okay, hey, now let's talk a little bit about the systems in FM. This is chapter 2. Let me display a resize. So for system in FM, what we want to learn basically is your engineering system in FM, and actually has set some units on this particular FM unit, so you'll be able to understand the common types of facilities, typical related operation and maintenance works of the facilities, and it's also site building architecture and building structure for mechanical and electrical system. So on this particular site, our definitions of covering the sites where the buildings are located, building architecture and structure, mechanical and electrical mechanical system, real estate and building space. Building and M&E are now commonly operated and maintained by external specialists. So by working on these, the knowledge of both technology in building and systems are important to manage and facilitate the staff so that you can manage the building for the optimum outcome. So for that, basically the systems that service could be from the site systems, building system, and mechanical and electrical systems. With that, soft services are like janitorial services, cleaning, waste management, security, and landscaping. Energy services will be like site boundary, landscape, road, and car park. Building facilities like agriculture, architecture, structure, mechanical, and electrical. Site borders like provision of security guards, operation, maintenance of security, maintenance of a boundary wall. So the site also includes some landscaping like plant watering, fertilizing trees, pruning, especially for the dead branches, rules and traffic and flood prevention, and then car park for management and collection fees. So building architecture could be also facade, toilet, floor, doors, partitions, ceilings, and finishes. Interiors will also include fittings and furnitures. Building structures usually will do the inspection about every 5 years for public and about 10 years for non-public. Roof like leaking and debris to prevent so that you you prevent mosquito from breeding. Columns, beam, floor slabs, and foundation. So this is just a view of the video, and you can actually click on the video and take a look how the things or how it can go. So basically this is the sign of it. I will not go through that. I'll pause this video for a while. Alright, and then we'll go back to our unit. Alright, so this is basically somewhere where you see that different debris is actually collected. So air conditioning system's objective is to give and provide a comfortable and healthy indoor air so that the air quality is built environment and corresponds to the equipment. Cool and humidified air is a thermal comfort requirement by means of a cooling coil and handling unit in a large industrial installation. Primary air handling units are separated and dehumidified outdoor. So it also provides clean air, provide sufficient fresh and distributed cool dehumidified air. Yeah, function of this centralized cooling systems or equipment like chillers, air handling unit, chill water pumps, condenser water pump and piping, cooling tower, cools down the water and then reject heat to the atmosphere, right? So centralized air conditioning system, this is what you know. This is our compressor as usual. Is what we actually look at. Compressor, go to condenser. So condenser water out is coming this way, and then condenser goes to the evaporator, which is it goes to the thermal expansion valve, which is somewhere around here, but you can't see it from this picture. But either way, this is how kind of it looks like. Alright, centralized chiller will also have a compressor, evaporator, condenser, chill water supply pipe, chill water return, condenser water pipe, motorized valve, pressure gauge sensor, pressure sensor, thermometer, and pressure temperature sensor, and this flow meter. So the video can just click to share with you. It's basically the cleaning of the tube itself. Yeah. Let me just. Alright, and then let's look at maintenance work and common problem. Maintenance work is actually listed down. So we have some plant room maintenance work which will be like the motorized control valve, chilled water valve, condenser water pump, condenser water pump motor, right? And this is some of the ASU that you have also seen. Then air handling unit, so there's some balancing valve, there's distributed motorized chilled water valve. Sorry, there's a typo error, but let's go through this first. Water flow valve, a measure of chilled water flow rate, pressure gauge, temperature sensor, thermometer, strainer, and condenser pipe, right, to discharge a condenser and collect a cooling water, temperature sensor, some access hole, filter differential pressure to send signal to the BAS, and then the prim, which is to reduce vibration on the floor slab, which is somewhere below, some smoke detector and filter, right? Then supply air duct, neoprene kind of a connector with housing belt, fan belt, the fan housing, fan belt, motor, spring vibrator, and also some cooling coil. Yep. So mechanical systems and electrical systems are sometimes called MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. Singapore usually good at the mechanical system. So mechanical system will be ACMP, mechanical ventilation system, plumbing, domestic water supply, sanitary drainage, building management system, and fire protection system. Special facilities will include swimming pool, gas supply, kitchen, laundry, medical gas. And the electrical systems will be include electrical supply, emergency power, lighting, light systems, lift, escalator, security, and telco. Domestic water system is basically like what's the pump that is being used. Maintenance will be like pump servicing, cleaning of water. Common problem will be the pump leakage leading to noisy pump breakdown, airlock, and also overflow of the defective pump or the inlet valve itself. Sanitary system is very common, but it's quite important, right? So maintenance drainage is basically the water that will come and kind of drain off. It serves as a good basis of drainage. Yeah, kitchen drainage, fire protection systems, building management system is something that we will look through, and then yeah, this is basically some security systems, lift and escalator. I'll share with you some lift and escalator website. And major cause of the lift will be like door closing mechanism, lift disalignment, control unit faulty, motor breakdown, escalator breakdown, user foot trap in the escalator, jam and then misaligned. Maintenance contractor response in time will be approximately 1 hour, but breakdown will be like 2 hours. Yeah. So yeah, so this will be kind of engineering system in FM, and questions will be discussed and shared during the tutorial class. Yeah, have a good day.